If your MRI shows a disc bulge, you're likely searching for answers. If you're tired of just masking pain, stay with me. Disc bulge, 2 words that can turn simple movements into agony. While surgery and painkillers might seem like the only options, there's another path worth exploring: acupuncture and varmotherapy. Acupuncture uses ultra-fine needles placed at strategic points to stimulate your body's natural healing response. It's not magic, it's science, helping reduce inflammation, boost blood flow, and calm those overactive nerves causing pain. Varmotherapy, rooted in ancient Indian healing, targets specific energy points called varma points to release blocked energy and restore balance. Think of it as a reset button for your body's pain pathways. Combined, these therapies can work wonders. Patients often report less pain, better movement, and a brighter mood, without heavy medications or invasive procedures. But remember, results vary. It's not a miracle cure, but for many, it's real relief. So, if back pain from a disc bulge is holding you hostage, maybe it's time to try something different. Talk to a qualified practitioner and see if acupuncture and varmotherapy can help you reclaim your life, one gentle needle at a time.